Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can list your car on Booking.com, so let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to business.booking.com once the site loads. You'll notice the sign in and register buttons in the top right corner. Click on register to begin the process. On the registration page, start by entering your email address. If you prefer, you can also sign up using your Facebook, Google, or Apple account for quicker access. After that, you'll be prompted to provide your personal and business information. Select your title, then type in your first and last name. Next, enter your company name exactly as you want it displayed on your profile. Choose your country from the drop-down list to proceed. There's also an optional field where you can specify the number of travelers, but it's not required. Once all the mandatory fields are filled out, go ahead and click Submit to complete the registration process. After your account has been successfully created and processed, you'll be able to list your car for business travel on Booking.com.